Yeah, ebusian for mema munyina akwaba. Yeah. Mema munyina akwaba. Mesrese unya dwene ya bomodin na hye. Unya dwene ya bomodin na hye. Now hopeless adoye ede ensembi atudwa. Now before that, any kind yentie national anthem. Yeah, national anthem of Africa. This is national anthem for Africa. Very important. Before that, any kind yentie national anthem. Yemofra, these are the future leaders of this continent. These are the future leaders. Wemo ena da cheno eshe omunsa ti ombeto national anthem. We enya Ghana national anthem. Eye African national anthem. Eye Bibini national anthem. Na siya ensemo a eye hopeless adoye ede atudwa no. Ya fa ne nsem no mako. Senya ono waba abonten defend Akufo-Addo. Wafa ne nsem no mako chiremu. Yenso yebefa ne nsem no mako achiremu saa se ne be ya. Ghana fo betimi ehu ba bia no kre no eda. Ti yentie eye national anthem. So help me God, amen. Bibini national anthem, no. So help me God, amen. Because Bibini helpless. Ahanti abribiano. Bibini trense nyankopon bi ebe sane free soro ababuwa no. Ti Bibini national anthem there say God amemwa enye yemfa ni saa. Right. Hopeless adoye de ensembia tudwa. Nano ye Ghana ha na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo call Peace FM ma Kwame Sifakai etwa no interview. Na interview no mu no na Kwame Sifakai ebisa no about the e-blocks the previous government ya Ghana for claim say obaye no onto aso wa abandon all those projects. Nana o make reference to ensemo a Aflawo hene kan say Nanado any nimpanimfo emma me complete e-block no emma omo ma entimi enkomu suku di a ene omo mra meso anko na imuaya na nado de man ne se ono oma saa ohene no ono na oma aban no ultimatum ene onkonko ye ema ye na ye hu se na nado ankasa ye twi na nado anim eba hye na nado on social media now Hobson adoye and fixing the country movement NPP penifo ate to counter fix the country youth almost sorry demand accountability. Youth are almost sorry, about abano pressure, say abano NCC Ghana minor. Hopeless adoye and call for ababontin, ababi defended nanado. Defense are defending no HRS. Yin tumu say ye call for apology from the president. Yin tum say Ghana focus nanado issue an apology to the chief of Aflawo or not your say. Nanado nasemuna okaye no enye ateni. Nanado nasemuna okaye no alright say okasasa. Nanado nasemuna okaya na say emuaye na or de koma Aflawo hini no or every right to have issued such can say a reply or a statement to the chief or king of Aflawo. Tiabusiafo yentie eye ensem a hopeless adoye ode atudwa na yafa ne ensem no mako na machirem for the understanding of every Ghanaian, and I say each and every Ghanaian yentie no.
In any case, edia sem ana President Akufo-Addo kan ya eyatem didi. Hey, na ohine no e ma yen ultimatum. Ani ongongo wie sabe eyatem didi.
Now, ahano me pese obi bia eti ase se eye atem didi because ohine no oye taxpayer muntie biye pa o. Ohine no ohu oye taxpayer. Ena efri mra Akufo-Addo bedi omampani ache yi o 5 years ni since Akufo-Addo bedi omampani. Enti na block anase omampani da Mahama eja block bi ewo ohine no ni krom Mahama entimi an complete na se Akufo-Addo aba abemu na se project a obi asha ase anka oye wie a wentimi enwie. I mean, how many years does Akufo-Addo ye mampani need to complete that project? Maybe some project no enye se afre na Nana-Addo all sha ase from the scratch there be ne predecessor. Sorry, aye esi odada. Wentimi enwie akase Nana-Addo beba betoa so etimi awie on say on. Se Ghana asoman no ye serious country anka omampani bia ba. The first thing na e was oye ne say projects are ni predecessor wentimi enwie no. E was nka odi kan complete ansana. We're moving on to bring out his own projects. Ye omaya ye serious. Ye omaya ye planning for that. Ye omaya ye dwe that ho anka sa na nko say ye no say the moment obeso afenemu aswe as Ghana mampani no projects our predecessor or shall see when we know. Those are the first things I was a way ansana. We're moving on to do your own projects. Now so Ghana there, yeah, and qualify as an antisa because already we don't have any development plan. It is a omampani bia ba bemua. Ni officer ebe boano, ni officer ononso obetimi the aje enimonyam, the score political points and oye and not what will benefit the country, and I say what will be in the best interest of the country. Eti ohene no now a bre because for 5 good years na se suku da ka kra wuntimi incomplete ya eno kra budi adanse say omampani oye incompetent what him say enti oba bonte be kasa ye no say ese be producer momra because edan no enkra eni nkusie na ekomu suku eni adenti mempene sa momra na momra me complete. Na journalists for no bisa no say okay oma meya e de na be no say han oma meya dia ene o meso anko ampa be so akwa oni watem because say o man krom e meye edan no mano dia then come and carry the edan away because anya sa edan no e waste land anya sa edan no e sa asase na edan no siso no nka ohene no obetimi ayusu e de aye something better Dr. Ren Mechiao. Anyasa I mean, asase na edanu siso a e waste land no. Anka Nana-no aflawa hine no. Obetimi e use sa asase no mpo e di ebie adwuma bi mpo ama anase efuo bi mpo ama the youth of aflawa enye biaye. It is Nana-no ka se o meye dia beso akwa. Most of you might see it say atemdidie but indirectly no enya atemdidie because ye pe atemdidie anka sanka omampani a obaye common block for 5 good years or say on to complete or say on yet and no crampono is a very big atemdidie to Ghana for it is a asemona Nana-no kan no it was no way an insult and a empo said Nana-no ma abino ultimatum he has every right to give the government an ultimatum. Eti mu amu defend yam penifo no e na Nana nkasa ye e na die ntina o omampani I mean who is omampani? Omampani is nothing but a servant. I keep saying say omampani Nana-Addo is nothing but a servant. He is a public servant. He is there to serve we the people. He is there to serve we the interest of the people. And then your friend say LGBTQ for bill. Yes, pass your parliament to criminalize their activities, Ghana for everything a buying ultimatum say, mamu up to next year January. Someone to me passes our bill, and criminalizing homosexuality in Ghana. We are going to show you guys that we have the power. We are going to prove to you people say this country belongs to us and not to you the leaders. It is a obi man Nana-Addo ultimatum wa onye boni bia se empo obi ma yem penin for ultimatum wa onye boni bia odi omwatem Ultimatum is simply giving somebody a deadline to come and complete something. Where is the insult in this? Where is the insult in a chief giving Omampeni an ultimatum? Where is the insult in this? So, let us be free and fair. Let us face the issue. Let us tackle the issue from the root and not, the surface. Why? Young Tuasuna and someone hopeless. Yen church remove for the better understanding of each and every Ghanaian. Yen Tuaso.
Mahama Kojina Kumasi said, yet you go to Yapan class and the four months. True or false? True. Okay. Attempted your
okay. Also, I had no say home. In the first place, Mami mi someone will share me now say. A dear Betty, and some of you, moto aba etia mahama, maybe some. Oh dear. Men find the same now moto abetia mahama. A DNT and a moto abetia mahama. Moto abetia mahama because you found Mahama's government not to be competent. Muntiem yo. And new mana Mahama all year na enyamofre. And new mana Mahama all year na money nye honti na moto abanutia Mahama. Edima Ekufuado say, Ekufuado there, he is different from Mahama. Ekufuado there, he will come and do things different from Mahama. And nunti na moji to menu free Mahama and sem. Edima Ekufuado. Entiene sa Ekufuado aba. He is not supposed to repeat the same things sana Mahama yeno. Entiampo yam funny say. Sa Mahama eko jina Ashanti region edidi Asante fo atemua enunti ena Asante fo etutia Mahama enti Ekufuado aba ensa say some mistake na Mahama ya ema Ghana for tutia no Ekufuado must not come and commit the same mistake. That is what we mean by change of leadership. That is what we mean by change of leadership. Say, Sanyo mana Mahama ya Ghana for ni anye huntia Ghana for jina so ede to abetia Mahama no. Say ne we say won so aba na say wo ye the same thing there. Then what is the difference between you and Mahama? Now yan hwa de bi. Mahama free abemu 5 years ago. Mahama free abemu no 5 years ago. NPP as a party has been in power for 5 good years. And it is a 5 good years. That's a ebesine. Muda so edem ho compare Mahama dia. Na enopudi adance say Mahama is a living legend. Muntie biye. Nipa na mo se oya incompetent. Nipa na mo se ontimi emu Ghana man no mani yi. Nipa mo convince Ghana for ema Ghana for eyi no free ho e di 2 no share mo nsa no se ne mo nya 2 no na se 5 good years. Muda so dem ho compare sa nipa ne dia na enopudi adance say you guys have the mentality say that person was better than you. Your actions is proving otherwise. Because akwese ho oba ene be matio na be ma no echiti on her be ma no echiti ye no ena ogina so adija be ma no aware ena okọ ware be ma foforo say sa be ma foforo na oware ne was studying the suban ehun say he is not like the previous boyfriend or husband na uja no new boyfriend na okonya ye no so na new boyfriend echiti. New boyfriend chiti ye Emma Obane Chino equation na new boyfriend okay say after all me chiti a intidien boyfriend that na woni no hands na wo share me crampo o chiti on you. Where is the logic and common sense is this? Yes, the old boyfriend na oni no ho no o chiti yenti na oja no be fa so you are not supposed to cheat or you are not supposed to commit the same errors and the old boyfriend e committee yenti a ogina so di ja no. It is a name penny for way and ya to me for 5 good years. Na se omu daso de omu compare Mahama dia. Na enopudi adance here said these guys have nothing better to offer this country. Also me enuntina metaka omie nu bom. NPP NDC enuntina beka omie nu bom e bashi omuno. Because 5 good years, Mahama is no longer in control. Why do you keep referring to Mahama? Every time Mahama, Mahama is no longer in control of this country. Let the man rest in peace. Let the man, yeah, we don't understand governance. Governance is not about say, my predecessor or failure, it means me failure cry and yashi. Government or governance is not about the fact they say, me predecessor odidi enkofo we atem nti mesme bae no se me didi obi atem kra enya hwe debida eno no enya mamuo eno no they are not signs of good governance. Ghana format here. So we expect this leadership because they claimed
to be more competent than the NDC. They claimed to be more competent than Mahama. So we expect them to be different. We expect them to do things differently. Nayempo, say Mahama, eko jina asante memu. Eka tre asante force, siya the gold, ebe ye kwaima omo krampua, omo eni inswa, a fact. It's not an insult, a fact. The same thing applies to the voter region. If NPP as a government go and even put gold on the road for them, Krampua, they will still vote for NDC. Why? Because your mentality as Ghana for no, we don't vote for leaders because of competence. We don't vote for leaders because we feel say they can better the country. We don't vote for leaders based on who is competent enough to run this country. We vote for leaders based on the fact they say, this person is my tribe. This person from Mikrom. This person you say, those are the reasons I jina so at the tuaba. It is a Mahama say, no matter what you do for Ashanti region, of course, Opa Mahama na say any other party which is not NPP. Enkoto Adain Emma Ashanti phone na still la onya even 10,000 votes in Bantama constituency. I'm telling you. Opa Yama any other party. Enko good Bantama Akwanso with diamonds and gold. That party will still not win the vote of Bantama residents because they are doing tribalism. Because they don't understand what we mean by vote. Because they don't understand what we mean by democracy. Omo de ni omo ni mwane say your party any NPP. So no matter what you do for them, they will still go and vote for their NPP. The same thing applies to voter. That is why tribalism is something that we must fight in Ghana. That is why tribalism is something that we must fight in Ghana, because tribalism no timi elected good leadership. Because Abribiano may to about my way because we dey mean if you crow back also or you crow ni or you say sa nneoma no and na ye gina so e to aba enye competence. Mahama has every right to say so kogu Ashanti region e kwan so nya go do Krampua omo ntoma wa eye fact. This is not an insult. Every Ghanaian knows this fact. Obi nim that a fact. A fact. The same thing should Nana Akufo-Addo go to voter region and do everything for them. Votarians will still vote for NDC. It's a fact. So until we are able to counter such tribalistic nature, no, until we say, you bet me I'm a Ghana for say there is no need for tribalism because say whether party A or party B is in power. Now say economy no every Ghanaian suffers. So as soon as the economy no every Ghanaian will stand a chance to enjoy. It yen fire tribalistic nature non ton China yen shasiye ento above for competent people until Ghanaians come to that realization. Say Mahama e make sa comment non poa we any Asante Fuatem a period a fact and okacha Asante for very simple. Obiantia siasa. Because in the history of Ghana, NDC enya majority vote in the Ashanti region da. In the history of Ghana politics, NDC enya majority vote in the Ashanti region da. Never ever. Omunya bi da. Omunya so da because of tribalism. The same thing applies to NPP. NPP enya majority vote in the voter region da because of tribalism. Because Ghana for NTS Ghana for don't even know how to vote. Entiantuaso.
Who say Asante for sorry say and the Mahama be party wana zimbiza. When you kumasi wagayo, then na Akufo-Addo TP FM. When you na flow. Ahaobua
Asante for bo Mahama echi. Asante for bo Mahama echi say Mahama muade, Mahama pacho. The massa Asante for bo Mahama echi. Ye Ghana hana sa asem ye. I was in Kumasi when sa asem ye Asante for bo Mahama echi. Let us not lie to the people. Asante for bo Mahama echi na pressure. Asante for the Mahama no. Seka sa pressure na Asante for the Akufo-Addo. I'm saying Akufo-Addo. Washa say ACS Ghana mino. Pressure. Ena Ethiopia. Ena Dumsoken. Ena Omuadie. Ena o Mahama call Ashanti region. Na the convoy keke. Omobo eye Ethiopia eye Lumba num Ethiopia. Asante for fan asem ka say eye omunti ena Mahama ebo sa nyum na say Mahama omu Asante for it pressure. Asante for the Mahama no. Senka Asante for the same pressure Emma Akufo-Addo. I'm saying Akufo-Addo will begin to wise up. What you must see pressure. Asante for the Mahama no. Senka Asante for the same pressure Emma Akufo-Addo. And Akufo-Addo will begin to wise up. I'm telling you, I'm being frank with you. Make no natural. By son tribalism muti eye Mahama dia ne bodwe, eye NDC dia on bodwe, NPP dia, no matter how the amemo goes, we are okay because of tribalism. Eye tribalism. Yantuaso.
The first time in the history of this country, I am for sorry say omoye demonstration at Tiaban because of my Ekufa no go can be John Mahama say or go run or than you who find.
For demonstration against anybody. For any demonstration against anybody. Hopeless adoye. Stop lying. Men patro, yen nyansa atroni sas nyomano. Ghana, Ghanaian chiefs, sorry tia baby, demonstration against a baby, demonstration, the youth who are angry. The youth who are angry because you guys are destroying the country. Say youth, you know, and or yet actually abino, and yet a handful. What you say, Timunya say, you guys are looking for, you know, can't say, as a pity from Ghana for, as a say, Ghana for whom Mobo be, as a, you are trying to win the pity of Ghanaians, say, oh, go with there. As the Ghanaians are not being fair to them. Ghanaians are being fair. Because Ghanaians have given you guys ample time to fix the country. Ghanaians have given you people ample time to make this country great. To make this country better. But still, no. Go to Rwanda. Paul Kagame, he became president. And Rwanda came out of genocide. Came out of one of the bloodiest genocide in world history. Now, so, and then go and look. How many years has it taken Paul Kagame to fix Rwanda? How many years has it taken the president of Rwanda to fix Rwanda? So let us stop giving excuses for our failure. Let us stop trying to win Ghanaians' pity. And the Ghanaians are not being fair to Ghanaians. Look, in the history of Ghana, say I can't Ghana for Anya fair crowd to him and Kenny Mahama. I'm telling you the truth. The history of Ghana, Ghana for Anya free and fair to them cracker Atamels and Mahama. Ghanaians have been fair to Akufo-Addo because Akufo-Addo most of the media houses don't even bring out the wrongdoings. Akufo-Addo most of the media houses, UTV, Adum TV, Insra FM, Hwanhwan TV, they don't even bring out the wrongdoings. That's Mahama Mreso. Say Mahama tap crampua a news. Say Mahama etan a news. Say Mahama odidina se okesua a news. Say Mahama ko toilet a news. Say Mahama enjari a news. Bibia Mahama baby a news. But Akufo-Addo ba no. The media don't even talk about it because almost say the moment you talk, they will come and seize your licenses. We are here. When they went and collapsed Radio Gold. Yet and as I'm called for way, Akufo-Addo not buying ever collapse Radio Gold. We were here. So this president or this leadership is intimidating the media. Therefore, the media don't even have the courage to talk. It's between Akufo-Addo and Mahama. Why and Ghanaians are being fair to. Ghanaians have rather been fair to Akufo-Addo's government than Mahama's government because at 10 years, you did Mahama no, and then the same at 10 years and I did Akufo-Addo. I'm telling you, at 10 years, any pressure, you did Mahama no, and then the same pressure and I can't afford them Akufo-Addo. Because in his days, Ghana Fosro, in his days, he has the media support. That is why the only option we have is social media. Because media, wrongdoings are echoes of Ghana. My media, come wasem. Wrongdoings, and you ma emkoya echoes in the media, and as echoes in Ghana, media, mainstream media will never talk about it because they are in bed, they are in harmony with the current leadership. You see, some of these guys, they are a threat to the progress and stability of this country because they feed them, they give them food, they give them travel allowances, they give them money. So no matter what, it's a say, I can hopeless adoye as old as you are, and can nyansa obaye kabekase Akufo-Addo my penny with all due respect. Kasa now oka and I say reply now o the man the chief of Aflawonu Ankoye, it's wedi Omampeni, Brabonte, and come out and issue an apology. Omampeni wedi Wadaroma. Reply out the man, the chief of Aflawonu Ankoye, so come out and say sorry. Say Akufo-Addo eka sorry. It doesn't take anything from him. It doesn't change anything about him. I mean, Akufo-Addo saying sorry will rather earn him the most respect. But I say, oh, you're very arrogant. I'm telling Akufo-Addo, oh, you're very arrogant. It's why, or no, why not just say, oh, I'm bad shoulder. And I was so hopeless, and I almost say, Omra Bonti eme defend no. Omra Bonti eme dirty politics. Omra Bonti eme create propaganda to cover his back. Because Akufo-Addo has not made his mind to ever say sorry to the chief of Aflao. Now so Eyotumfo ena okasa mani tia na me say America Akufo-Addo apachew. Eyotumfo and now say the chief of friends Atim ena Akufo-Addo ekasa tia na America Akufo-Addo aba bontia be pachew. Masa yempa no kra o my way mu yento aso.
Enechewi. Eti yesamo media for no. Let us do Ghana good. Now, yes, setting record straight. Now, Yama, a whole MP, no, I think twice Dampia cancer phone was already noble. Meanwhile, who candidates, a group of people at Temono. Now you're okay. Now you're okay. Me free, I tell you. I'm not state, you know, I want to be free. Eti, me you know, one can say, why do you say, my mouth, but you want my baby, I'd rather found that. Is it not an insult? I buy a seed, I know. One can say, what you hear. Baby, you this year, or we see first ground that you know, I don't much out of no coy. Me no can say, yes, see true story, and I be a painting, I come your market.
Now, one casano, 7 periods are any Jimia. Anka Edano see her, be complete, I was say uncomplete. Baby, I know I was umiano. Na se obi ka kire wo se o mebia no dia be so akwa wadi watem maybe South Ghana for nyina wadi watem because masa yempa any useless building yempa edan a ebeye menka ne se souvenir yempa dan a am robbers ebeji aboso it is dan no si ho na se o ma me complete emia no e ma aflawofo entimi enkosuku o mu dia betam ko e simple edan no si ho na se wutimi e ma mebia no Emma Aflao for enkom suku dia betam kwa oni watem of course me kra kameka sa because what Jimmy what is unim nyansa ka what Jimmy kire wo say as omampani no so ba project o predecessor wan wie no e was say those are the first project I was say to be complete project o predecessor wan wie no those are the project and ka onya to me now you have to complete it because you are and then Saglami. Thousands of buildings are rotting away because of Akufo-Addo's arrogance. Thousands of buildings in Saglami are rotting away because Akufo-Addo has not made his mind not to commission those houses. And Ghanaians are sleeping on the street. Ghanaians are sleeping under interchanges. And houses are rotting away. Houses are being left to rot with taxpayers' money. And then Kwasiasem. And then Jimmy. So we grab no or here no pono or the ma Akufo-Addo etufo bo akwase o dinner time direct o man penino and I said sorry chief no or the ma Akufo-Addo etufo bo akwase o dinner time direct ka say masa wonim nyansa ka edan na esi wo na obi dis asa want me awie no wonim nyansa ka be wie wonim nyansa ka you complete it wonim nyansa ka be ma wadwina ye adwuma akire wo say menua me predecessor sa dan na o see here no enye ni bottom sika no this year name of taxpayers money ti ma beg there let me go and complete it unim nyansa ka that's what you do timata oni obia temp these guys are paid to come and do dirty job wait also bempa Kennedy Japan sankofoni na me say they are all dirty job for NPP they do dirty job for their party he's a sellout yam penocranting or mine say no Ghana for yam penocranting or mine say no go and complete the e-block go and complete it Mahama and then the bottom sika no this year to go and complete it nonsense
eketia just on be na man for e go school na wotini bia wa no ka say abaya bia o ma be fadan no kwa enya tempese pa no di aban no be say one more to metum there ayo poko wie
na wankasa no na we omampani as a leader Ghana for a boo say unim nyansa it is a empo obi akasa tia wa as omampani yemfa ne say na no okasa tia Akufo-Addo wankasa ye as omampani no how are you supposed to react omampani does not talk out of anger but omampani dia okasa you have to be able to talk out of reason and sense. It is an anonymous sebi when Jimmy and I want kasa ya as Omanpenino, you have to come and prove to the Nana say, oh, dear, what ye Juma, oh, dear, with him Yansa, and to their own kasa. 2 wrongs does not make a right. What must say? 2 wrongs does not make a right. I'm telling you, say, Seka about 2 mre, and Nankanano Kasa Semonanka, Ekufuado would have never given him that reply. Or Manosa replied because on him said the last time now kono. Or Mananasa replied because on him said, on fact, you won't be when the second time will be so whether you like it or not, or I mean, or 28 years and we to on farm. About 2 mre, Ekufuado would have never talked like that. Now, they are hopeless and now. Keep defending Ekufuado. You guys will get out of power. Power rotates. No party will be in power forever. Power, it rotates. You guys will surely get out of power. Now, free Abremu we are, and some of you will see how stupid you were. Timo de Montra say, Namu defend Ekufuado. Ekufuado is destroying the chances of the next president of the NPP. Or the next leadership of the NPP, or the next flag bearer of the NPP. Ekufuado is destroying the chances of the next flag bearer of the NPP. Timo de want to say, namun defending. Montras na essence small mania or dema munti. Montras na mokosun defending. Sabu free abemu here. You will see how you will suffer to come back to power. Mo de montra.
Yo.
I mean, muni na moti. So because kono go bibia. Ayatem didi. Ya besremu. Ya bombinaka. Ya nimne political background. Nipa bia to aba wo asase so. Jehovah Witness for no muntu aba brado mo party. Jehovah Witness for awo muntu aba no, o party. Enti wona wo to aba no. Ade gboja faja no to aba. Da ben na o tie se wa se be die, ma yi me momentu aba. Wakasi wontu aba na wati amra obetu aba wotonso obetu aba nipa bako Charlotte se tu aba Jeme sa tu aba eti obia ewo bebi a oyede wugina ma bebi a wugina no ma me se nuama esese nipa ye ma o sa statement wonu se beti ma twi aban asekra kakra se nka speed and guess what the go do bra obeti ma to no boade
wa odi what is
so I know say
what you say ma okay say sa statement we e betimi atwe aban na say aga speed and call say or the call crack go see dan no crack on ko biem. You see how we play politics in this country. Next Ghana man akwa say the moment ta obeka no crack no you become a target. That is why most of the chiefs are afraid to come out and talk because osro say so aba abonte beka no crack pe omanpani ene na ban emfa empuntuo emma ni kruso. You see how we are destroying this country in the name of politics. Mau the way yes say on my way in the name of NPP and DC. Mau the way yes say on my way. Esan say or hine no aba bonten aba kanadwin. Esan say or hine no aba bonten aba bekanya ehaninti. Ekufuado cramp no panka or can say like obe play delay tactics obe chine na say on shadampo enka ne ho engo kuro no so enkoye empuntuo bi emma nanano anase emma aflawufo. You see how we play foolish politics in this country. You see it. Nasa Ghana no the moment ta obe soya kasa no pena ye town. The moment ta obe soya kasa, you see we are not thinking of the country. Empo senka ohine bi sorry kasampo na se ne kasa no anye omanpani da omanpani any right bia se obeka se esan ensemo a ohine no ka yenti no memfa empuntuo enko ne mpeso so na se memfa empuntuo enko ne krum. Empuntuo no is not for the chief alone, it's for the people, and the people are the ones who voted for you and not the chief alone. What must say empuntuo is for the people and not for the chief alone. It is a original po and a one kasa ye na se ujira and so kasa enunti memfa empuntuo krabon kwa. You are being foolish and stupid. You are being foolish and stupid and myopic. Na se one kasa what jeno nya juma one kasa what jene da utrimu no eye more enya juma unim nyansa. You will never talk like that or even think of that. Tiba the way I say o mino ma the way the NDC in the NPP say Ghana mino afei you see it. Do you now see it? Do you now reason with me? Do you now reason with us? Okay. I'm finding some ready yet.
Yeah, come on, my child, I'll buy you go. I think say will come another time. They are picking sector by sector. Monty Honona, Musera Nasa Grammy, and Nasa Grammy. say the go. Then shed down ya Kufu Jan one more Mujamani say, a Bufado Naban was saying for. Shabotema, or Mujatu, Pum, or Mujatu as a Coribabo, a lot of them. Uko for Rudia, Canini now boom, like I said, the bedroom half. One man come once. Betty, these are the facts. Say a yellow crack. Say ya you blocks no apple.
Yeah, waka nsem hu na wie na nsem hu we e na hopeless adoye friend of facts. Yeah, nsem hu we e na hopeless adoye of friend of facts. Inti say MPP mpanimfo ba omiane ne nkofo e ka say we have the data. We have the facts. These are the facts they are talking about. Nese propaganda. Nese ensem bia enyina me ka say ensem bia eni nyina so e na MPP mpanimfo hu ni say eye fact. Arehu say monya to me for 5 good years. 5 good years. Na se besi ne moda so ene Mahama pray competition. E da so I mean 5 good years e besi ne moda so dem ho compare Mahama. Come on. Na mo kura de ne hamoa. Na se money Mahama no difference be any because say 5 good years are gonna 42 Michelle Monsa se besi ne moda so ne Mahama pray draw there. Then you and Mahama no difference. Mo na mo ye chaff. Mo na mo ye trash. Do you now understand the need for us to do away with these two parties and look for a third force? Do you now understand the need for us to throw these two parties away? 5 good years. You are still comparing yourself to Amemua a good year 5 years ago. Amemua Ghana for 2 good years and in 2 minutes share Musa because Ghanaians thought or believed they say you guys were better. Ghanaians thought you guys were better. That is why they threw Mahama away and gave you the mantle and gave you the power. 5 good years. 5 years down the line, you guys are still struggling with Mahama. You guys are still battling with Mahama. What is wrong with you? Mubawa Mahama. Be Mahama. A free say Joe Biden eba presidency mu. And I say a free say Joe Biden eba ye America company. Mahu say how many times and I want to say Joe Biden over Trump would Maybe someone na a free mra. Joe Biden by year American company. How many times and I'm to say Joe Biden over Trump pudding? Yay, Ghana. Ghana for Ghana. And you guys are on social media defending these criminals. You guys are on social media defending these fools. Yadre Juma. Yadre no Juma. Yenimsa Mahama nye. Yenimsa Mahama is incompetent. Yenimsa Mahama ontimi rule Ghana. And untina Ghana for ede Ghana eshe monsa. So leave Mahama alone and do the job. Leave Mahama alone and do the work. All right. Let us not waste too much time on idiocy. Let us not waste too much time on incompetence. Let us not waste too much time on nonsense. At the end of the day, no propaganda will hold. At the end of the day, Ghana folk will see the truth. That is why some of us are here to help Ghanaians to see the truth. At the end of the day, the Ghanaian or the average Ghanaian will be able to decide for him or herself. It's very simple. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. The chairman Free Mind. Free chairman Free Mind. And I said George Free Mind damage also. But I was Facebook your page, no Free Mind family. YouTube also Free Mind family. Instagram also Free Mind family. And Richmond Morgan will say he always talk about Trump. And say if even he talk about Trump or Crampoa, it doesn't mean do the same thing. Obi Jimmy and not just also Jimmy. Why? And I say Obi Mamia wu. And I say so be actually second ekuni Mamia. And not just also to say kind Mami. It is American for Jimmy. And not just Ghana for so Jimmy. Why? TNC Nyanza. Have a nice day and have a blessed week. Peace. Bye bye.